In today's video, I'll show you how to receive USDT in OKX. First, open your OKX app. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section at the bottom right corner. This is where you can see all the cryptocurrencies in your account. From your list of assets, find USDT. Once you find it, simply tap on it. You'll see options like Deposit, Withdraw, and Trade. Here, you want to choose Deposit because you're receiving funds, and then click on the Deposit Crypto option. Now, this step is important. USDT exists on multiple blockchains like TRC20, ERC20, and others. Make sure you select the same network your sender is using. For example, if they're sending USDT on the Tron network, select TRC20. If you choose the wrong network, your funds could be lost. Once you select the network, OKX will show you a unique wallet address, usually a long string of letters and numbers. Tap Copy or use the QR code to share it with the sender. This is the address they'll use to send USDT to your account. After the sender sends the USDT, you'll need to wait for blockchain confirmations. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the network speed. Once confirmed, you'll see your USDT balance updated in your OKX account. And that's it. You've successfully received USDT in your OKX wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.